For those of you who are new to the show, we're your hosts,
Daniel,
Frankenstein's monster.
And today's topic is genetically modified food.
And now introducing our participants, Sherd and Butch.
Hi.
Greetings, all.
What is that even? The genetically modified food things.
Simple, foods produced from organisms that have had specific changes introduced into their DNA via the methods of genetic engineering.
Oh!
Now we begin the trials.
Okay, first question. Is everyone ready?
Yeah!
Okay, what are the techniques used for modifying a food product's genome?
With my hand?
I am deeply regretful to inform you that that is incorrect. What about you, Butch? Oh, I know this one. My doctor told it to me after the operation. Genetically engineered plants are created by adding one or more genes to a plant's genome using genetic engineering techniques such as the ballistic method and the agrobacterium tumeficates, which mediate transformation.
That is correct! 1 point to Butch. Can you explain how each method is done?
No, I'm not a rocket surgeon.
I can. The biolists cause the method to make the genes, and the agrobacterium make transfusions that mediate a transformation.
No. Just no.
The correct answer is that the biolystic method uses a device for injecting cells, a particle gun, with genetic information. The payload is an elemental particle of heavy metal such as tungsten, and it is coated with plasmid DNA.
And the agrobacterium tumeficates are bacteria which are used to insert foreign genes into an organism's cell.
Now for a little history.
Describe to me the 2 ways that humans have manipulated the genes of their crops and livestock before engineering was possible.
Natural selection.
By slaughtering the weak. You're both wrong! No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No. Yes.
Okay. The correct answer is selective breeding, which is similar to natural selection, but is facilitated by man. It is when humans breed other animals and plants for particular traits and do not breed specimens that lack these traits. Another method was mutation breeding, which uses chemical mutagens like EMS and DMS, radiation, and transposons to create mutants. This method was used exclusively on crops.
Now, let's talk about some ethical things and move away from the science stuff.
Yes, let us. Here's another question. Give 3 reasons that genetically modified food is challenged.
Because people are dumb. Wrong again. Whatever.
Sherd.
It's probably because of science.
Seriously, why is everyone constantly wrong?
Well, no need for hostility. The answer is a simple one. 3 contentions are that genetically engineered foods might have long-term effects on people. Another concern is that genetically modified foods might cause new allergies. And a final example is that plants that were created to be resilient to weed killers might naturally cross-pollinate with weeds, causing weeds to spread unabated.
We'll be right back after this break to talk about Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. We're back, and we'll go to Frankenstein's monster for the next question.
Okay, who here has read the book?
Reading is for women.
Oh, how about you, Sherd?
I most certainly have.
Good. First question. Give me an example of how the book relates to our topic of genetically modified foods.
Well, people made the food, and a person made Frankenstein. The man who made him was named Frankenstein. And that wasn't even a good connection.
Actually, in Frankenstein, the monster states that it wasn't like he was learning new things, but remembering things long forgotten, memories transferred accidentally during the process of creating him. This is similar to the fear that allergies would be transferred during some of the methods of modifying genes.
Okay, that is probably the best answer that we've heard all evening.
Also, Victor's fear that if he created another creature that was female, it would breed with the original monster and that there would be a species of wretch living somewhere in the desert, which is somewhat similar to the fear that if pesticide-resilient plants were to cross-pollinate with weeds and make a species of superweeds.
Oh, well, it seems we have a winner.
Yay!
I don't get it.
Well, that's your own fault.
Now, Sherd, it's time for the grand prize. Remove the curtain!
A new car!
Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Go team!
That's all for tonight, folks.
Good night, everyone.
Yes! Woo! Yeah!